We all have these New Year's resolutions. We're going to change ourselves for the better. We're going to start eating differently. We're going to get a gym membership.
Dr. Stephen Kopecky says trying to take on too much at once is why so many people fail to make meaningful, healthy lifestyle changes.
You need to take small steps that you can achieve and that you enjoy doing. If it's eating differently, find a food you really do enjoy eating. A Mediterranean diet has about 350 fruits and vegetables in it, so you can find something in there.
He says even taking the smallest of steps, like putting on your tennis shoes and standing on a treadmill, can help kickstart a new, healthy habit.
When you do that, give yourself a reward. Say, hey, I did this. Let the dopamine surge in your brain that helps lay down these good memory habits.
Perhaps one of the most overlooked parts of setting a successful resolution is understanding your why.
Why do you want to change? I think you need to say, this is my why, because you need something to help you at midnight when you go in the kitchen and want to graze on some ultra-processed food or something like that. So you got to understand your why.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Dee Dee Stephen.